Pull out the drain cap of the draining port. Connect the drain pipe to the draining port, using the fastener to tighten. Remove the clipper first, fully insert the pipe, and then reinstall the clipper. If you want to remove the water inlet pipe, first remove the clipper. Press and hold the inner ring of the water inlet port, then pull the water hose outward to remove it. Put the clipper back on. Lift the ice cabinet door to easily take out the ice cubes. Close the cabinet door to better store the ice cubes. As soon as the power is plugged in, the display window will light up and show the ambient temperature. Press the on-off button on the operation panel. The ice-making procedure begins. First, the water shortage symbol will be on. Once there's enough water run through the machine, it will go off. When the unit is operating, press the timer clean button to set the off timer. The off timer indicator will light up. Use plus or minus to adjust the time. The setting range is from 1 hour to 24 hours. The setting is saved after 5 seconds. When the unit is in standby mode, press the timer clean button to set the on timer. The on timer indicator will light up. Use plus or minus to adjust the time. The setting is saved after 5 seconds. To cancel either the on timer or off timer, press the timer clean button once. The set time on the display will flash. Then press the timer clean button again to cancel the timer. Alternatively, you can press the on-off button to cancel the timer setting forcefully. Press the light button on the operation panel to turn the LED light on. The corresponding indicator on the display will be on. Press the light button again to turn the light off. Press the light button for more than 6 seconds to switch the temperature unit between Celsius and Fahrenheit.